Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the lightning rods ready and enough resources. You can craft them or buy them if available. Once done, place rods in open areas away from trees and buildings so bolts can strike. Make sure to leave one-tile gaps for easy access and to avoid placement obstruction. You want rods on the highest priority spots of your farm where thunderstorms hit often. This first step gets hardware and positioning correct, so electricity can reliably convert into battery. During thunderstorms, you should check each rod after the storm clears because strikes happen during the day. You collect battery packs from the rod itself. Once a rod has been struck, it stores a single battery pack until you pick it up, so spread rods to scale production. Make sure to keep access paths clear so you can collect quickly, and consider leaving some rods near sheds or chests for organization. Also note why this works. Lightning rods convert random storm strikes into predictable, tradable battery packs. To finish, you want to optimize placement across your farm and other maps for more consistent strikes. Spread rods rather than clustering them. If a rod never produces, check for obstructions. Roof overhangs, trees, or fences can block strikes, so move it to a fully open tile and test during the next storm. Make sure to collect and store battery packs promptly and use them for crafting quality sprinklers or sell for profit. If problems persist, reload the day or check for mods interfering with weather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.